Hello students, in this video we will be learning about the probability of error calculations for different signaling schemes. Means here we will bring out a common relation. From there we will calculate for different signaling schemes. That is for ASK, FSK, PSK as well as ASK, FSK, PSK as well as for on-off signaling keying as well as NRZ signaling keying also. Here we generated our modulated signal either S1 or S2. Commonly I am writing some S of t is transmitted through the channel. Noise is going to be adding in the channel. So coming to the receiver, what will come? The signal plus noise S of t plus N of t. We are having first block filter, of course called matched filter, to increase SNR value, because by using the matched filter, just know in the previous lecture also we said noise power maximized to N0 by 2. Sample and hold circuit common. Let me write the directly output. Anyhow here bits only. What is the last block, sir? Last block is nothing but a threshold comparator, sir. Threshold comparator will decide either 1 or 0 based on its comparing with the VTH value. So it is having a specified value. Let's take VTH. Then output whether 1 or 0 depending upon the VTH. For example, here this matched filter output, let me take some Z of t. Follow. If Z of t greater than VTH, then it will generate one symbol. If Z of t less than VTH, it will generate a 0 symbol. Now, when the probability of error for 0, sir, probability of error for 0 means we transmitted 0 but received as 1. When output is received as 1, whenever Z of t greater than VTH means probability of error for 0 is nothing but probability of Z of t greater than threshold. Probability of error for 1 is probability of Z of t less than threshold. Now here N of t is a white noise having Gaussian PDF, having 0 mean, and a noise power is maximized to N0 by 2 because we are using the matched filter. After the filter only, but about the noise I given. Here this I am going to be discussing especially in the 2 cases, or if you want 3 cases also. In the first case you can take when no signal transmitted. If there is no signal transmitted, S of t value is 0. Then what is Z of t equal to? Z of t is nothing but N of t only. What is the mean of the Z of t? Mean of the Z of t is nothing but mean of the white noise. We already taken mean of this one is 0. Mean of the white noise is 0. What is the probability density function? F of z is nothing but 1 divided by root 2 pi sigma square into e power minus z square by 2 sigma square. Where here sigma is the variance, it is having 0 mean. Already told noise is having the Gaussian PDF. Follow. Let's take the case 2. Case 2 is when binary 1 is transmitted. When binary 1 is transmitted. If binary 1 is transmitted, Z of t equal to corresponding to signal component is, let me take A1. What is this A1, A2? In the final we will replace with the general things. Let's call when binary 1 is transmitted, filter output is some A1 and noise is N of t. If you calculate the mean of this, anyhow noise mean is 0, so A1 is constant outside, expected value of 1 is 1, noise mean is 0. Then what is the probability density function corresponding to binary 1 transmission is 1 divided by root 2 pi sigma square into e power minus z minus a1 whole square by 2 sigma square. Let's take expression 1 corresponding to binary 1 transmission. Let's see. Case 3. When binary 0 is transmitted. When binary 0 is transmitted, what is z of t, sir? Corresponding to signal, let's take a2 into n of t. Then what is the mean of the z of t, sir? Mean of the z of t is nothing but a2 only. The mean corresponding to n of t, noise is 0. Then what is the probability density function corresponding to binary 0 transmission? 1 divided by root 2 pi sigma square into e power minus z minus a2 whole square by 2 sigma square. Let's take expression 2. Just now also I discussed when binary 1 is transmitted. Let's see. When binary 1 is transmitted, when binary 1 is transmitted, no error will occur. No error will occur if, when there is no error, sir. When there is no error, sir. No error will occur if output is 1. When output is 1, whenever z of t is greater than threshold. Now what is the probability of error for 1? Whenever the probability of z of t less than threshold, sir. Similar manner, can I write? When binary 0 is transmitted, no error will occur if z of t less than threshold, sir. When the error, whenever z of t greater than threshold, sir. Probability of error for 0. When binary 0 is transmitted, no error will occur, z of t less than threshold. When error, z of t greater than threshold. Let us assume the channel is a binary symmetric channel. For a binary symmetric channel, probability of error for 1, probability of error for 0, both will be same. Probability of error for 0 and probability of error for 1, both are same. So anyone you can take and we can calculate. Let's see. Probability of error for 0 is nothing but probability of z of t greater than threshold. How to write this one? How to write this one? Integral VTH to infinity, and it's integrate in that region, it's a PDF. What is the PDF for 0? See the expression 2, PDF for 0. That is nothing but 1 divided by root 2 pi sigma square into e power minus z minus a2 whole square by 2 sigma square into dz. How to calculate probability from PDF? Integrate the PDF in that region. Here what I am doing is, try to follow. Probability of error, you can make it as a common because both are equal. Try to recall the Q function also, students. Try to recall the Q function. Before that, one more modification let me also do. Let me take z minus a2 by sigma equal to another dummy variable. For example, here probability of error also p, here also p, will get confusion. Let's take some alpha, sir. Now probability of error equal to commonly, because for 0 and 1 is the same I told. Probability of error equal, what is the lower limit for z? VTH, sir. So 1 divided by root 2 pi I written outside. Lower limit is VTH. So VTH minus A2 by sigma. Upper limit infinity. Infinity minus A to infinity by sigma infinity. Sigma square is there, I will write e power minus alpha square by 2. What is dz? Send alpha, sigma that side, dz and a constant 0. So dz equal to sigma d alpha. So sigma d alpha. And already here one sigma is there. The sigma is going to be cancelled. So directly I am writing d alpha. Try to understand. Root of sigma square means sigma. dz we are getting. What is the dz we are getting? dz is sigma d alpha. This alpha, if you want to get confusion, sigma and cancel it. No problem. Let's keep this is the expression number 3, sir. Now what is the q function, sir? Q of x equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite. Sorry. Integral x to infinity. Its argument itself is the lower limit. 1 by root 2 pi into e power some dummy variable p square by 2 into dp, sir. Now you can compare the 3 and 4 because we are bringing the probability of error in q function. Readily q function tables are available. We'll get the value. Compare the both functions, sir. If we compare the both functions, both are same. So probability of error is nothing but q function argument is its lower limit. Lower limit is VTH minus A2 by sigma. Generally, in all the cases, how we are taking VTH, sir? VTH is the average value, sir. Average value means A1 plus A2 by 2 minus A2 by sigma, sir. Then what is the probability of error? Probability of error equal to A1 minus A2 by sigma. Of course, Q function, sir. Q of A1 minus A2 by sigma. Are you getting it? Sorry, something we are missing. A1 minus A2 by 2 sigma, sir. Yeah. That is nothing but a Q function of over the root A1 minus A2 whole square by, I can write 4 sigma square. Root and square will be cancelled, anyhow will comes. When the probability of error will be minimum, sir? Whenever augment of q function is maximum, sir. Augment of q function is maximum. Now finally we will write probability of error at the input side itself. There itself we will calculate. Then probability of error equal to, it's a q function of over the root. What is A1, sir? Corresponding to binary 1 transmission. Corresponding to binary 1 transmission is nothing but what, sir? S1 of t, sir. Corresponding to binary 0 transmission, S2 of t, sir. Whole square by 4 sigma square. Sigma square itself is power, sir. Y mean is 0. What is the noise power is maximized to N0 by 2. Provided that impulse response will be the S of TB minus T or T minus T. Capital T minus small t, the meaning. So finally, probability of error is nothing but it's a Q function of over the root, that is nothing but a difference signal energy ED by 2 N0, where ED is called difference signal energy, that is S of t equal to S1 of t minus S2 of t, energy of that. And noise power is maximized to N0 by 2 whenever H of t equal to S of capital T minus small t, where capital T is the duration of input, where S of t is nothing but here S1 of t minus S2 of t, and ED is nothing but their different signal energy. So finally in this derivation, remember this value. The common formula for the probability of error equal to, it's a Q function of root ED by 2N0, where ED is the difference signal energy, that is S1 of t minus S2 of t whole square. S1 of t corresponding to binary 1 transmission, S2 of t corresponding to binary 0 transmission. N0 is called power spectral density. Now, another 2 points also important. The probability of error for 1 is nothing but the probability of Z of t less than threshold. Probability of error for 1 is nothing but the probability of Z of t greater than threshold. Clear? When the probability of error is lesser, whenever Q function augment is more, sir. Because Q function augment is more, its value decreases. Already I given the properties of Q function. And Q of minus x value is 1 minus Q of x also I told. What is the ASK modulation scheme? For transmission of 1, S1 of t we are sending. For transmission of 0, S2 of t we are sending. What is S1 of t, sir? AC cos 2 pi FCT. What is S2 of t, sir? 0. What is the common formula for probability of error, sir? It's a Q function of root ED by 2N naught. What is ED? Different signal energy. Integral 0 to TB S of t, that is nothing but S1 of t minus S2 of t whole square into dt. That is integral 0 to TB S1 of t AC cos 2 pi FCT minus 0 whole square into dt. That is nothing but integral 0 to TB AC square by 2 into AC square by 2 into dt plus integral 0 to TB AC square by 2 into cos 4 pi FCT. I think all of you understand what I done. What I done? Cos square is 1 plus cos 2a I written. This is nothing but AC square by 2 into integral dt is t, TB minus 0 TB. This is nothing but area under the cos function, that is nothing but 0. Because in each duration equal number of cycles. Substitute ED value there. Then probability of error for ASK modulation scheme is, it's a Q function of over the root. ED value, we got AC square TB by 2, already 2 is there. 2 2s are directly I am writing. 2 2s are 4. So 4 N naught, sir. This is the probability of error for ASK modulation scheme. Remember, root of AC square TB by TB means bit duration by 4 N naught. N naught is the power spectral density. In PSK, corresponding to binary 1, we transmit a S1. What is the S1 of t, sir? S1 of t is AC cos 2 pi FCT. Corresponding to 0, sir, S2 of t, sir, which is nothing but minus AC cos 2 pi FCT, sir. Then follow. Calculate different signal energy. We have the common formula, that is the probability of error equal to Q function of root ED by 2N naught, sir. Calculate the ED value. ED is nothing but integral 0 to TB because bit duration only that. S1 of t minus S2 of t whole square into dt. That is integral 0 to TB. What is the S1 of t? AC cos 2 pi FCT. What is S2 of t? Minus or minus plus AC cos 2 pi FCT whole square into d. 1 plus 1 2, 2 square is 4. So integral 0 to TB 4 cos square, 4 AC cos 4 AC square cos square 2 pi FCT dt. We know cos square is 1 plus cos 2a by 2, 2 cancelled. So 2a square you can also write outside, integral 0 to TB 1. So dt plus 2ac square into integral 0 to TB cos 4 pi FCT. Cos square I written as a 1 plus cos 2a form. Integral dt is nothing but dt. Integral dt is nothing but t. Substitute the limits TB minus 0 TB. Anyhow, we know this value, area under that one is 0. So what is the different signal energy ED we got? 2 AC square TB we got. Then substitute in the common formula. So probability of error for PSK modulation scheme, it's a Q function of root ED. ED value is 2 AC square TB by 2N naught. 2 cancelled. Finally, it's a Q function of over the root AC square TB by N naught. This is the probability of error calculations for PSK modulation scheme. In the previously what we got for ASK, what we got for ASK? Probability of error calculation for ASK is, it's a Q function of over the root AC square TB by 4 N naught we got, but here only N naught. So where is the argument more? Here argument is more because denominator is less. Argument is more means Q function value less. So probability of error for PSK is less when compared to ASK. We already known that point. From here also we derived. What is for corresponding to binary 1 S1 of t? What we are transmitted? A high frequency one cos 2 pi F1 of t. Corresponding to 0, we transmitted S2 of t which is the low frequency one, cos 2 pi f2t. Getting my point? Now follow. What we need to calculate the different signal energy, sir, because probability of error common formula Q function of root TD by 2n naught. What is ED, sir? Integral 0 to TB S1 of t minus S2 of t whole square into dt. That is integral 0 to TB. What is S1 of t? Is nothing but AC cos 2 pi F1t minus AC cos 2 pi F2t whole square into dt. That is A minus B whole square formula. Apply A minus B whole square formula, integral 0 to TB AC square into cos square 2 pi F1t dt plus integral 0 to TB A square plus B square AC square cos square 2 pi F2 minus 2AB term, integral 0 to TB 2 into A, B, in both AC will be there, AC into AC, AC square cos 2 pi F1t dt, sorry, cos 2 pi F1 into cos 2 pi F2t into dt, sir. This anyhow we done number of times. Anyhow, how we can write? Integral 0 to TB AC square by 2 into dt plus integral 0 to TB AC square by 2 into cos 4 pi F1t dt plus second term also in the similar manner, that is integral 0 to TB AC square by 2 into dt plus integral 0 to TB AC square by 2 into cos 4 pi F2t dt. If you see the last term, 2 cos A cos B. What is the cos A cos B? You can cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Then 2 is utilized. So AC square integral 0 to TB cos A plus B 2 pi into F1 plus F2 t into dt plus integral 0 to TB cos 2 pi into F1 minus F2 into t into dt. First integral, third integral we already know. AC square by 2 into dt is t, TB, there also TB. So different signal energy ED is nothing but first one AC square by 2 into TB, third one AC square by 2 into TB, and remaining all are 0 because area equal number of cycles we taken, whether for F1 or F2 equal number, F1 plus F2 also equal number, minus also equal number, remaining terms are 0. So this is nothing but AC square TB. Substitute in the common formula. Probability of error is Q function of over the root ED, that is AC square TB by 2n naught. No need of any calculations are coming. This is for FSK scheme. Probability of error for FSK. What is the probability of error for remaining other two also we already calculated. For ASK we got it's a Q function of over the root AC square TB by 4n naught. What about for the PSK modulation scheme? PSK is nothing but a Q function of over the root 2AC square TB. 2AC square TB by n naught we got for PSK. Now you can compare where is the in all the three argument more. Obviously in PSK, next FSK, next ASK. PSK less probability of error, then FSK, then ASK. We already seen in the previously also. Probability of error for P is less than probability of error for F is less than probability of error for E. Q function value is small when argument is more. Argument will be more when denominator is less. You can check it. Those three Formulas remember, and a common formula root ED by 2n naught to remember, needed for solving the problems. What is on-off signaling? Binary 1 is represented with a positive pulse. Let's take a voltage of AC. 0 is representing with the 0. So this is nothing but S1 of t. This is nothing but S2 of t. What is the different signal energies are? ED equal to integral 0 to TB S1 of t minus S2 of t whole square into dt. What is the S1 value, sir? S1 is nothing but AC, S2 is nothing but 0 whole square into dt, sir. That is nothing but AC square TB, sir. Then what is the probability of error for on off? Is nothing but a Q function of root ED. ED value is AC square TB by 2n naught. Calculate the probability of error calculation for NRZ. Binary 1 is representing with a positive pulse of voltage AC. 0 is representing with the negative pulse. Of course, all are of same duration TB. We know that. This is a corresponding, we can call S1 binary 1 transmission, binary 2 transmission. Then what is the ED values are? Integral 0 to TB S1 minus S2 AC plus or minus AC whole square into dt. That is integral 0 to TB 2 AC. So 4 AC square. That is integral 0 to TB. Directing to right in this many number of times. 4a square is a constant outside. Integral dt is t. Limits are TB minus 0 TB. Then what is the different signal energy probability of error equal to Q function of different signal energy? We got 4 AC square TB by 2n naught. Cancel the similar terms. Probability of error for NRZ non-return to 0 scheme is, it's a Q function of over the root AC square. 1 second. 2 is there now. So 2 AC square TB by n naught. So NRZ is similar to PSK, on-off is similar to FSK. Anyhow, if you compare these two, where is the augment more? In in NRZ is more. NRZ is more means the probability of error for on-off is greater than NRZ. Let's see the next problem. 1 megabits per second. 1 Mbps binary PSK receiver detects waveforms S1 of t could a cos omega naught t or S2 of t could minus a cos omega naught t with the matched filter. If A equal to 1 milliwatt, then the average bit error probability, assuming single-sided noise power expected density is n naught equal to 10 power minus 11 watt per H is nearly. This is the ESC 2018 problem. Option A, Q function of 0.63. Option B, Q function of 0.16. Option C, Q function of root 0.1. Option D, Q function of root 0.3. Anyhow, what is the probability of error formula we have, sir, for PSK? PSK is nothing but a Q function of over the root AC square TB by how much? N naught. Small mistake I done. For the binary PSK modulation scheme, na? So 2 AC square by n naught. That is a Q function of over the root 2 into what is the AC value given, sir? 1 millivolt. So 1 into 10 power minus 6. What is the TB value given? They given RB. So 1 by TB. What is the n naught value given, sir? 10 power minus 11 into 1 Mbps means 10 power 6. Both will be cancelled. What is the remaining, sir? If both are cancelled means, remaining will be 5. Here 6 is there. So this is the more. So Q function of over the root, obviously 2 by 10. That is obviously it's a Q function of root 0.2. Root 0.2 value will definitely greater than 0.2 or less than 0.2. Root 0.2 value definitely greater than 0.2 or less than 0.2, sir? Definitely it is greater than 0.2. Always in the roots, less than one value will give you more. If you see the options, there are two options are there. One is 0.16, one is 0.63. Obviously greater means option A, because calculator is not allowed, sir. See the next problem. Problem on-off signaling keying. An on-off binary system uses the pulse waveforms Si of t equal to S1 of t is A sin pi by t 0 to t, S2 is 0 to t. Let A equal to 0.2 milliwatt, t is 2 microsecond, additive white noise power spectral density N naught or eta by 2 is 10 power minus 15 watt per inch is added to the signal. Determine the probability of error when PS1, PS2 is 1 by 2 equal probability. All this nonsense is not needed. What is the probability of error for on-off we got? It's a Q function of over the root AC square TB by N2 N naught. In the given, what is the A value given? 0.2 milli. So 0.2 square, 0.04 into 10 power minus 6. TB, sir. What is the TB value? 2 microseconds. So 2 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 2 N naught. So 2 into one sided. So 4 into 10 power minus 15. See, to avoid 2 zeros, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 8, 14, 15 gone. So 10 power minus 10, 2 into 4 will be, or anyhow, this 2 will be getting cancelled. This 4 will be cancelled because this now it's becoming a 4. Remaining is 10 power minus 1 comes in the numerator 10. So over the root 10. That is the question. So whatever may be the scheme given, don't bother about the given data. There are a lot of data they will give you. Simply take the probability of error formula for whatever the scheme given, substitute the values, you will get the answer.